Hi guys, in this video I would like to show you how to set up a custom domain for Ghost using AWS. By default, your website will be available under the name of your blog, .ghost.io, but there's a good chance that you might want to have something less scary. Probably just your blog name. In order to do that, you'll need to register a domain first, and for that, let's jump to the AWS console now. The service inside of AWS used for managing domains is called Route 53. Let's go to its console right now. Head to registered domains. Click register domain. Inside of this input field, you need to provide the name of your website, of your blog. In case it's already registered somewhere, you'll have to unfortunately come up with some other name. If the domain is available, then you just need to continue, pay for the domain, and then wait a little bit of time till the registration gets completed. Once it's completed, head back to the Route 53 dashboard and go to Hosted Zones. Inside of this menu, you'll see the list of your registered domains. Head to the one that you've just recently registered. By default, Amazon creates two sets of records. One is the namespace record, the other one is the start of authority record. You don't need to do anything with them, but you still have to create two more records. In order to create it, click on Create Record, then Simple Routing, Next, and inside of here, click on Define Simple Record. Under Record Type, select CNAME, then value route traffic to, you need to select IP address or another value. Here you need to point to your Ghost domain. If you don't remember what it is, you can always check it at the admin dashboard under domain. One thing to note is that the CNAME record cannot exist under the root domain, meaning that you will have to provide a subdomain. The simplest way to get around it is to provide here 3 times W, and then just click on Define Simple Record and create records. This will take some time before it's completed. In the meantime, let's create another record, the A record. So again, head to Simple Routing, Next, Define Simple Record. By default, we're getting the A record over here, but we have to change the box with the value. We need to point to the IP address of our block. To find that address, you need to head back to Ghost, click on Setup under Custom, and over here you will have the IP address that you need to provide. Copy this address, paste it inside of this box, then go to Define Simple Record, create records, and you'll have to wait a little bit of time before these are ready. Once that's ready, it's time for the final step, which is heading back to Ghost. And under the first section, you have to provide the domain name of the CNAME record that you've defined inside of Amazon. So in my case, that was www.inputoutput.me. And after that, just hit activate. This will take some time, but after that, you should be able to access your domain. After some waiting, I have this green continue button here. If everything was successful, you will see that your domain is activated. To verify, open a new tab, provide the newly registered domain name, hit enter, and you should be good to go.